This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your dish receiver supports the YouTube app and that firmware is current. Once done, plug an Ethernet or join your home Wi-Fi. A wired connection reduces buffering. Make sure you have your Google/YouTube login ready so you can sign in and access subscriptions. Now open the YouTube app from the receiver's Apps menu, choose Sign In, and follow the on-screen code pairing steps if prompted. This links your account and keeps recommendations and history synced. You navigate YouTube with the dish remote, using arrow keys, voice search, or open the YouTube app on your phone to cast. Once you select a video, press Options to inspect playback settings and adjust quality. Lower the resolution if bandwidth fluctuates. Make sure to sign in so your subscriptions, watch later, and playlists appear. Use the add or subscribe buttons to organize content. If you want continuous playback, enable autoplay. This keeps videos playing without repeated navigation. You finish by using the remote to control playback precisely. Pause, skip, seek, toggle captions, and change audio if available. Once satisfied, manage subscriptions and playlists from the library to personalize your feed. If you run into issues, perform basic fixes. Restart the dish receiver, confirm your internet is stable, and update or reinstall the YouTube app through the receiver settings. If problems persist, clear the app cache and repeat sign-in. This resolves most account or playback conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.